What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Twilio phone call automation with Zapier. So let's get started. So first, you need to head over to the Zapier's website, and after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you need to click on Create, and then from here, you need to choose Zaps. After choosing Zaps, here you will see the option of trigger. Click on this, and then search for Twilio. After that, when you choose Twilio, here on the right side, you will see to choose a trigger event. From here, you need to choose new call. And after that, in the another step, when you click on action, you again need to search for Twilio and select the Twilio again. And this time you need to choose a call phone event. And after that, this will show that new call, when the new call is received, a message of call phone will be reached to your Twilio account. And make sure to sign in with your Twilio account to connect your Twilio account to your Zapier. And this is how you can set up your Twilio phone call on Zapier. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.